Changing your car's oil is one of the most important maintenance tasks you can perform, but it's also one of the most overlooked in terms of doing it correctly. Many people think it's just about draining the old oil and pouring in the new, but there are dozens of small details that make a huge difference. Getting any of these wrong can result in reduced engine performance, poor fuel economy, or even complete engine failure. In this video, we're breaking down the most common and most costly mistakes people make when changing their oil. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who takes their car to a shop, knowing these will help you avoid expensive problems down the road. Stick around because these tips can literally save you thousands in repairs and help extend the life of your engine. One, using the wrong type of oil. One of the biggest oil change mistakes is using the wrong type of oil. Your car's engine is engineered to work with a specific viscosity and formulation. Using the wrong oil can reduce engine efficiency, cause excess wear, and in some cases, even void your vehicle's warranty. Viscosity refers to the oil's thickness and ability to flow at different temperatures. For example, using a 10W40 oil when your engine calls for 0W20 can make it harder for the engine to start in cold weather and may prevent proper lubrication when the engine is running. This can lead to premature engine wear and increased internal friction. Beyond viscosity, there are also synthetic, semi-synthetic, and conventional oils. High-performance engines often require full synthetic oil due to its superior protection at high temperatures and better flow in cold conditions. Using conventional oil in an engine that needs synthetic can cause sludge buildup, overheating, and performance issues. Always consult your owner's manual and use the recommended oil specification. And don't just trust what's written on the bottle. Make sure it also meets the industry certifications like API-SN, SP, or ILSAC GF6. 2. Over-tightening the drain plug. Another extremely common mistake is over-tightening the oil drain plug. This might seem like a minor issue, but it can lead to catastrophic consequences if not done correctly. Over-tightening the drain plug can strip the threads on your oil pan. Once that happens, it may be impossible to get a proper seal, leading to constant oil leaks. In some cases, you'll need to replace the entire oil pan, which is a costly and labor-intensive repair. Many DIYers and even some mechanics believe that making it as tight as possible is better for preventing leaks. But drain plugs are meant to be tightened to a specific torque. That's why it's critical to use a torque wrench and follow the torque specs provided in the service manual. Additionally, some drain plugs come with a crush washer or gasket that should be replaced during each oil change. Reusing an old washer or over-tightening can damage the seal, allowing oil to leak slowly, which may go unnoticed until your engine suffers damage due to low oil levels. 3. Forgetting to replace or properly install the oil filter. The oil filter is crucial for removing contaminants from the oil before it circulates through your engine. Forgetting to replace the filter, or worse, not installing it correctly, can seriously damage your engine. If you forget to change the oil filter, the old one may be clogged with debris and sludge, reducing oil flow and filtration. This means dirty oil will circulate through your engine, leading to increased wear on internal components. Improper installation is just as dangerous. If you don't lubricate the rubber gasket before installing the new filter, it may not create a proper seal, causing oil to leak out while the engine is running. Another common mistake is double gasketing. That's when the old filter's gasket sticks to the engine and the new filter is installed on top of it. This often leads to major oil leaks and engine damage. Always remove the old filter carefully, check that the old gasket came off with it, and apply a bit of new oil to the new gasket before installation. Hand tighten the filter according to manufacturer recommendations Too loose and it'll leak, too tight, and it could be a nightmare to remove later. Fourth, not checking oil levels after filling. After you pour in new oil, it's essential to check the dipstick to make sure you've added the correct amount. Skipping this step is a recipe for trouble. Adding too much oil can be just as harmful as not adding enough. Overfilling causes the crankshaft to whip the oil into a foam, reducing its ability to lubricate. This can lead to overheating, blown seals, and even hydrolock in extreme cases. Excess oil pressure can also damage the catalytic converter and other emissions components. On the flip side, underfilling leaves engine parts exposed and unlubricated. Even being half a quart low can cause additional wear, especially in high-performance or turbocharged engines, where oil plays a role in cooling as well as lubrication. The solution is simple. After filling the oil, wait a few minutes for it to settle, then use the dipstick to check the level. Add more if needed, or drain excess if you overfilled. Always aim for the full line, not below it and not above. 5. Not warming up the engine before draining the oil. Cold oil doesn't drain well. If you change your oil when the engine is cold, you're likely to leave behind old, dirty oil and sludge that should have been removed. Warm oil flows more freely, allowing it to carry contaminants and deposits out of the system. When the engine has been running for a few minutes, the oil thins out just enough to drain completely. This ensures that you get as much of the used oil out as possible, leading to a cleaner oil system and longer engine life. However, there's a balance. The engine should be warm, not hot. If you've just turned off the car after a long drive, let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before draining. This allows the oil to cool enough to avoid burns, but it'll still be warm enough to flow well. Skipping this step might save you 5 minutes today, but it costs you engine efficiency over the long haul. Every oil change should be done with warm oil for best results. 6. Ignoring the oil change interval. Many people believe they can go longer than recommended between oil changes, especially with modern synthetic oils. While synthetic oil does last longer, pushing the interval too far is a mistake. Oil not only lubricates but also cleans, cools, and protects your engine. Over time, it degrades and accumulates contaminants like metal shavings, dirt, and fuel residue. Driving past the change interval can lead to oil breakdown and sludge formation, which chokes your engine's internal components. On the other hand, changing your oil too frequently can also be wasteful and unnecessary, especially with newer engines and oils that are designed to last 7,500 to 10,000 miles. The key is to follow your vehicle manufacturer's schedule and adjust based on driving conditions. For example, if you drive in extreme heat, tow heavy loads, or make frequent short trips, you may need to change oil more often. Using the vehicle's oil life monitoring system, if equipped, is a smart way to gauge oil condition. But never ignore your oil. Set reminders, track mileage, and don't assume you can go a little longer just because the car seems fine. 7. Not replacing the drain plug washer. One of the smallest but most important parts of an oil change is the drain plug washer, also known as a crush washer. It's easy to overlook, but failing to replace it can lead to slow leaks and long-term engine issues. The crush washer is designed to deform slightly when tightened, creating a tight seal between the drain plug and the oil pan. Over time, especially after repeated tightening and loosening, the washer loses its ability to seal properly. If it's reused, it may not crush evenly, allowing oil to seep past the plug. Many DIYers don't even realize the washer needs replacing. Others mistakenly believe a metal washer doesn't wear out, but even metal ones fatigue and lose their sealing properties. Some vehicles, especially Japanese models like Honda and Toyota, are particularly sensitive to this. Their drain plugs almost always require a fresh washer. It's a cheap part, often costing just pennies, but skipping it can cost you hundreds if you develop a slow oil leak that drains your oil level unnoticed. Make it a habit to keep a few spare washers in your toolkit and always replace them during each oil change. 8. Not cleaning around the filler cap and dipstick. Cleanliness might not seem critical during an oil change, but dirt and debris near the oil filler cap and dipstick can introduce harmful particles directly into your engine. This is a mistake even seasoned car owners make. Before you remove the oil filler cap, take a few seconds to wipe the area clean with a rag or paper towel. Dirt and dust around the filler neck can easily fall into the engine as you pour in the new oil. These particles, though small, can damage bearings, clog oil passages, and cause premature wear. The same goes for the dipstick. When checking oil levels, ensure you wipe the stick with a clean cloth and avoid dragging it across dirty surfaces. Contaminants introduced during this process can circulate through your oil system and cause long-term harm. It only takes a few seconds to prevent this. Use a clean workspace, keep rags handy, and treat every opening to your engine as a potential entry point for damaging debris. 9. Pouring in oil too quickly. Believe it or not, pouring in oil too fast can actually create problems. While it might feel like a time-saving trick, rushing this part of the process can lead to spillage, overflows, and even internal oil foaming. When oil is poured quickly, especially into a cold engine, it can back up in the filler neck and overflow, especially if there's any sludge or a design that doesn't allow fast drainage into the sump. This results in a mess on the engine bay, burning oil smells, and potential damage if it contacts hot components. 10. Not disposing of old oil and filters properly. Changing your oil responsibly isn't just about the new oil, it's also about what you do with the old. Improper disposal of used oil and filters isn't just illegal in many places, it's also extremely harmful to the environment. Used motor oil contains heavy metals, combustion byproducts, and other toxins. Dumping it down a drain, onto the ground, or into the trash can contaminates soil and water. Just 1 gallon of used oil can pollute up to 1 million gallons of water, enough to supply 50 people for a year. Oil filters are also problematic because they retain a significant amount of dirty oil inside. Tossing them into your regular trash means that oil can still leak into the environment. And there you have it. The most common oil change mistakes that could be costing you big time. These aren't just little slip-ups, they're silent engine killers that can shorten your car's life and drain your wallet if you're not careful. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more no-nonsense car care advice. Got a mistake you've made before or a tip to share? Drop it in the comments. We read everyone. Remember, it's not just about changing your oil, it's about doing it right. Take care of your engine and it'll take care of you. Thanks for watching and drive safe.